The cheapest machine is not always the cheapest machine. A lot of machinery upgrades get judged purely on the monthly repayments, but strong operators usually look much deeper than that because the right machine can improve productivity, fuel efficiency, uptime, operator performance, maintenance cost, and even future resale position. So the real question is not just, can I afford this machine? The better question is, what commercial impact does this asset have on the business over the next few years? Seeing operators become far more strategic around utilization, ownership cost, fuel consumption, machine efficiency, and life cycle planning, especially in markets where margins matter more than ever. At TMF, we don't just look at the purchase price. We look at how the machine earns, how it affects operational efficiency, and how the finance structure impacts the business long term. Because sometimes the cheapest machine ends up being the most expensive to run. And sometimes the smartest upgrade decision is the one that improves productivity, uptime, and positions the business better for the work ahead. That's what strategic machinery planning actually looks like.